everybody, it's Joy from Community Connections. Today we're outside enjoying the sunshine, and the kids got bored sitting inside, so we're coming up with some fun things that they can do outside. So I took these two little baskets right here. I brought out a bench from inside, and we got bing bags, and they're going to practice their shots into the basket. So go ahead, girls, let's see what you got. Good one. Good job. Back up. You're cheating. Back up. Good job, Harlow. Okay, from back there, try to hit it. Good one. Good job. Grab Harlow's bags. Now try to back up just a little bit, Harlow. See if you can go a little bit further. Or, that's too far, Joey. Come up a little bit. Oh, aim for the basket. Aim for the basket. There you go. 2 in a row. Oh, good job, Joey. Oh. Good job. You guys are going to be ready for some fair games. Back up a little bit more, Harlow.
It's not Joey.
That's all right. It doesn't matter. Just go ahead. One more time. Let's see if you can get them in from there. All of them. Oh. There's one.
Yay.
Oh.
Yay. Yay.
2.
I get all of them.
Oh.
Yay.
Good job. All right, Joey. You try, and then we'll move on to something else. You gonna try to throw them in? Oh, get another one. You got a whole bunch back there. Oh, try again. There's one. Oh, 2. Oh, try again. Get another one. Oh, hit the basket. Oh, get this one in. Last one. Oh, good job. So go get outside, enjoy the sunlight, and find something to do.